This question belongs to software engineering subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015. So the question states, match the following. We have condition coverage, equivalence class partitioning, volume testing, alpha testing, and we need to match it to black box testing, system testing, white box testing, and performance testing. So it's basically related to the type of testing. You can refer to the following material for this. So what is a white box testing? So in white box testing, we are also testing the internals of any application. And in black box testing, we just consider it as a black box and do not test the internals, just which verify the input with the output. So see, white box testing tests internal structures of working of an application. It covers the following: control flow testing, data flow testing, branch testing, statement coverage, decision coverage, modified conditional decision coverage, prime part testing, part testing. So conditional coverage must be a white box testing. So conditional coverage is a white box testing. So it's mapped to option 3. Now what is an equivalence class partitioning? It's basically a type of black box testing. So black box testing is a method of software testing that examines the functionality of an application without peering into its internal structure or working. So here we do not test the internal working, we just verify the input with the output. Typical black box test design techniques include decision table testing, all pair testing, equivalence partitioning, boundary value analysis, cost effect graph, and error guessing. So equivalence class partitioning is a type of black box testing. So answer is option 1. Volume testing is a performance testing for a specific size. So volume testing is mapped to option 4. Now alpha testing. Alpha testing is basically a system testing by potential customer or user on an independent test unit developer side. So alpha testing is mapped to option 2. So answer is 3, 1, 4, 2. Option C is true.